When we take a look at Monday, you will not have any assignments in science today. We really used quite a bit of our time in the morning to complete that writing benchmark, so you will not have any writing or science work to do today on Monday. On Tuesday, you are going to be using pages 499 to 551 from your science textbook. That's the larger textbook to complete the Unit 11 benchmark. You can see we have like a practice, a review there, and then the Unit 11 benchmark that you will complete. Those are all multiple choice questions. On Wednesday, you can see that we do not have any school. That's Veterans Day. And then when we open up Thursday's folder, you do have a study guide that you're going to print. It's provided here for you. And then you're going to watch this video. And in this video, Miss Curry is going to go through and complete the study guide with you, discussing each question. And finally, on Friday, you are going to use the study guide that you completed along with Miss Curry to help you complete the Unit 11 test. So right here, these are multiple choice questions, and yes, you can use that study guide to help you complete this test. That's your overview for the week in science. If you have any questions, please let me know.